Hello. Now that we've finished another set, let's assemble them. We're assembling the bearing puller. We'll start with a new assembly, as usual. On the Insert Component tab, we'll select the first part we're inserting into the assembly, the principal body. Then Gemello, which is responsible for articulating our puller's claws. We're aligning that part with the hole using concentric mate. We'll then face it with coincident mate. Finally, we'll use angular mate to align the part with the body. Like that. Now we're adding another gemello, and it'll be locked the same way. Center the holes with concentric mate, face it with coincident mate, and align it with angular mate. Are you ready? Now we're moving on to the claw. We'll insert it and lock it to the gemello's holes and align its faces so it can be in the right position. We'll add the rivets, the gemellos, and the claws. After that, we're going to specify how many parts will be copied on the Quantity tab. On the Angle tab, we'll add the referential angulation, so the pattern is ready. As it's going to be 3 times, the referential angle is 120 degrees. We'll then select the rotation axis option to specify the axis to which the parts will rotate. So with that done, we can finish it, and the pattern is made. Easy peasy, right? There are only the spindle and handle left. Let's begin with the spindle then. It will be added the same way we did before, by the Insert Component tab. Now we'll select the concentric mate command and define the centers. Select the coincident mate, that body's face and that spindle's face. The distance will be 50 millimeters. Hey, are you keeping up? That's great because there are a few things to do yet. We'll add it by the Insert Component tab and use the concentric mate. To put the handle in its place, we'll use the Move command, selecting the handle, then clicking on the command. The distance will be 110 millimeters, and we'll then say in which axis the movement will occur. If the part has to go back, just add a minus in front of the measure. Then finish the operation. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box below. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks, and we'll see you next time. Well, guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.